Hello everyone. So today first of all we will be dealing with the stages of suit. So for the first stage of the suit is filing or presentation of a plaint. We all know that when a person wants the justice from the court in a civil case, the plaintiff should file a plaint. The document filed by the plaintiff is known as plaint. So this is the most important document in a suit. So once this plaint is filed or presented, after that only civil suit is instituted. That means this is the first stage of a civil suit. Now coming to the second stage of a civil suit, it is the issue and service of summons. So once the plaint has been filed and then the suit has been instituted, it has been registered before the court, then the court orders that summons shall be issued to the defendant to appear in the court. And sections 27, 28, 29 and order 5 relates to the issue and service of summons. So this is the second stage of suit in the civil case. Now coming to the third stage, that we say third phase of a civil case is written statement. As we saw, the plaintiff files a plaint. Similarly, the defendant files a written statement. Now coming to what is a written statement. Written statement is a reply by the defendant to the allegations made by the plaintiff in the plaint. The allegations made by the plaintiff in the plaint, the reply to those allegations, the reply by the defendant made in a document, written in a document, is called as written statement. So when that document is filed, that reply is filed by the defendant, it is known as written statement. So the third stage of suit is the filing of written statement by the defendant. Now coming to the fourth stage of civil suit is effect of appearance and non-appearance of parties. The court will see that on the given date whether both the parties are being appeared or not. If one of the party doesn't appear, then what will be the effect? How to proceed? If the defendant doesn't appear, then when can the court grant ex parte decree? Ex parte decree, now what is the meaning of ex parte decree? That will now coming to what is an ex parte decree, that we'll be dealing in further classes when we'll go to the ex parte decree and all in details. For the time being, let's understand that the fourth stage of a civil suit is effect of appearance and non-appearance of parties, where the court will see that whether on a particular and given date the parties appear or do not appear. Accordingly, the court will proceed. Now the next stage of a suit is discovery. Now discovery means to disclose all material facts of the case that is important in a civil case. So this stage, in this discovery stage, the discovery or disclose of all material facts is done. Now coming to the sixth stage of a civil suit, that is called as settlement of issues, which is the important thing which we say as issue means the questions of the case. That is the most important, on the basis of which the judgment is given. So the next and the important phase is settlement of issues in a civil case, where the questions are being highlighted, the questions are arised, the questions are raised, and according to that questions, at the end the judgment will be given. So the settlement of issues is the important phase or important stage of a suit. Now coming to the next stage, which is said as being trial. So this is a stage where the arguments are advanced, the production of evidence is done, and the detailed arguments are given by the respective parties. So this is a stage of trial. Then after trial comes the judgment, where the judge gives the statement, and always the judgment is based upon the issues of the case. The replies, the answers to the issues of the case by the judge is called the judgment. That means the statements given by the judge is called the judgment. And after that stage, the judgment stage, comes the decree. It is to be remembered that decree follows judgment. It is not to be confused that whether judgment follows decree or decree follows judgment. It should be made clear that always decree follows judgment. First comes the judgment and the next stage is the decree. And the last stage of a suit is the execution, where the actual enforcement of orders or decrees is done.